Hey you guys, good to see you as always here on the channel. We're down at Grassroots Yard Supply, or the nursery as we call it, and we just got a new truckload of plants in. So we're gonna walk down here and help the guys get unloaded and see what we got, because I love plant delivery day. What we got today, Chadwick?
Some good looking plants.
Oh yeah. I don't see nothing too big. You said we got some 15-gallon stuff on there too?
Yeah, a bunch of 15.
How you do today, sir?
Hey, welcome to Graniteville, huh?
Yeah, you ain't never been here?
Got any granite down here?
A lot. I actually do. We got a granite quarry. Well, it's closed down now, but yeah, a couple miles from here. Oh, that's some good looking Distillium. Now some of these are in slightly different color pots, T.
Should we stage a lot of that stuff over here?
I didn't know what the plan was, so
We don't get it all put up today?
yeah, probably. Seeing as tomorrow's Saturday. Are they different? Let's see. Cinnamon girls. Nope, just a slightly different color pot. Dang, Dave went crazy on the cinnamon girls, didn't he?
50 of these are going to one place, I know.
Okay. You want to let's count up to 50 and leave them in a block so we don't have to count later?
Sounds good.
All right, I've got 5 on the ground, 6, 7, 8, 9.
10, 11, 12, 13.
Okay. 18. These need to go in shade. Can I put them in the golf cart?
Yeah.
All right, still at 22, right? Got some nice ostrich ferns in 1 gallons. 34.
All right.
36. 40.
Boards.
Oh yeah.
Oh, so these all in the
Golf cart, yeah. 44 T. 46, 48. Cool, we ain't got to count no more. Okay, well we got 50 stacked in a block, and then we'll put these somewhere else. Some nice camellias. Camellia. Oh, I like this mountain fire Pierres, man. That's cool. Dang, it needs a little some shade too. See, Chad, now will be the ideal time to have that shade area to go with everything, you know?
Yeah.
Hey, you got some ginkgo. Look at here, T. The ginkgos you've been looking for. I can get them if you can't, darling.
I got it. Not too bad.
You tough, girl. Now, I wouldn't suggest grabbing one of these crepe myrtles.
Yeah, I'll let you get that.
Don't try that, T.
All right.
They is pretty heavy.
I just feel useless.
You can help me.
Okay. Sounds good, buddy.
Okay, you good?
Yep.
It's your truck. You do it however you want to do it. But, all right, we'll move the golf cart. I guess we can just go wherever. Ooh, that's like a rising sun. Oh, like a flamethrower in there too. You gonna hurt yourself. Redbud.
That's a big one.
Let's go right here with it. Ooh, Carolina Sweetheart. That's the variegated one.
Big.
Nice. Damn, those big ones ours too?
Yeah, that's a special order right there. Did those come out the very back?
I can jump up in there and help you. Which one you want to go? Okay. I'm gonna have to come down and help you, Chad.
Okay.
Just hold what you got. This girl is heavy. Okay, this is a slider. Okay.
And set it. pretty much straight down. Yep. This one's gonna be special. This is a special order anyway.
That's too much light work.
Dang, sorry we had to put you through that, buddy.
I know it. That would look good in your yard.
Oh, yes, it would.
Hey, puppy dog, may I pet him,
Well,
her?
Certainly, that's all she wants.
Hey there, pretty girl.
She says please.
Hey, you're so cute. Is she full grown or is she just a
She's
pup?
full.
Really?
She's an old lady.
This is like a miniature Cocker Spaniel?
No, she's a Cavalier King Charles Spaniel.
Oh, I've never heard of that breed. She's
Yeah.
cute.
They're similar to Cockers. Just you're smaller.
Hey, little girl. I forgot your name. I've met you before.
Yeah, we have. It's Alyssa. Hi.
Alyssa, that's right. I'm Ryan, in case you forgot.
Yeah, I'm the one who drives an hour and then stuffs my car to the gills.
Well, we can help you stuff it. Well, after we got everything offloaded, we had a flood of customers come, so it's been a few hours since we got the truck unloaded. I actually had to go home and put me on some shorts because it is still hot as all get out. But let's walk around and take a look at the few of the things that we just got off of the truck. These are the rising sun like I have planted in my driveway. These are hard to find and they are just absolutely beautiful deciduous redbuds. This color that they have near the tips is just gorgeous. It's like a peach chartreuse color. They have a little bit of variegation to them, as you can see right there where my finger is at. And then right next to it is one of my absolute favorites. And these are pretty hard to locate too. Look at the color of these flamethrower redbuds. So these came out, I don't know, I guess a couple years back, and they really haven't gotten into, you know, full production of them yet. So they're still a little bit tough to locate. So if you're looking for one, we've got them here at the nursery. This tree right here is in a, what is that, 20-gallon pot. And so just in case you do live in the area and you're interested, they are $1.99. So that's not a bad price for a pretty rare redbud of that size. And then Dave, our nurseryman, who did all of this ordering, if y'all watched any of the past videos, this is a variegated redbud that I have also in the driveway right by my rising sun. This is Carolina Sweetheart. It's got a beautiful color too, of a newly emerging leaf of a dark burgundy. Now it's not showing a lot of the variegation right now because we're getting kind of towards the end of the season and the leaves are going to start falling off soon, but mine had that beautiful white margin and kind of splotchy white variegation in it for most of the spring into the summer. And so I think Carolina Sweetheart, out of all the redbuds that we just looked at right here, this is going to be the biggest, maybe topping out somewhere around 30 feet wide. The flamethrower is so new, I don't think anybody really knows exactly how tall it's going to get, but I'm going to just say probably 15 to 20, very similar to the rising sun. When is it going to cool down, y'all? We're in September, and it's still got to be every bit of 95 degrees today. Heat index, I don't know what, but y'all probably tired of me talking about how hot it is in all my videos, but it plays such a crucial role in your day when you work outside for a living. The weather is everything, and it's just daggum hot. I'm tired of it. I definitely have to come up here and show you guys these. This is the, let's see, I think it's Mountain Fire. Yeah, Mountain Fire Andromeda, or Pieris. It's a beautiful shrub. Has this fire red new growth that comes out on the tips. This is going to need some shade, but has beautiful white flowers in the winter. These are going to be probably, you know, a medium-sized shrub, I guess you would call it, getting probably 5 to 6 foot tall. I usually say 6 by 6 is what I tell the customers. 6 tall, 6 wide. Definitely going to need some afternoon shade if nothing else. But unfortunately, I've tried these in the driveway, and the deer really like them too. So we're gonna unfortunately not be able to take any of these home with us. But here's the flower spike coming out on this thing, and this will be probably February-ish. It'll kind of hang over and have these beautiful bell-shaped white flowers. And then look at these big mamma jammas right here that came in today. These are some already 15 foot tall weeping willow They're also in, looks like, I think those are 20s. It's so hard to tell pot size for me anymore. I believe those are 20 gallons. And we'll just look at the price on them real quick. Looks like this one's already sold when we went and put shorts on. So Babylon Weeping Willow, 150 bucks. That's not bad at all for this big old tree. 30 to 40 feet by 30 to 40 feet. These, you know, you'll see these on, they can really tolerate some wet feet. You'll see them a lot on the edges of ponds, and they're just beautiful with that weeping habit. They'll just kind of drape out over the water, but that is not a bad deal at all. Then we got some really nice Cleveland pears that came in. These are the replacements for the Bradford pear in the area. You know, Bradford pear is an invasive, so this is going to be your replacement for that. Beautiful white flowers in the spring, nice fall foliage, probably a 30-foot. Let's see what it says, because I'm not positive on that. Yeah, 30 to 40 foot tall, 15 to 20 wide. Maybe when we rip those Bradfords out at my house, we'll come back in with the Clevelands, because even though Bradfords are invasive, I know they're bad, man, they just have the prettiest flowers in the springtime. Now, they do stink, but the prettiest flowers in the springtime and that fall color is just gorgeous. So I think when we do rip them out, y'all help me remember, maybe we'll replace them with some Clevelands. Then we got some nice 7-gallon ginkgos. Let's see which, these are Golden Colonnade Maidenhair. Medium growing, 45 height, 25 spread, 179. Ginkgos are kind of hard to find, and any with some size to them, they demand a higher price, but you can't beat a ginkgo for golden fall color. And then another really tough shrub that came in on the truck is the Cinnamon Girl Distilium. This can take the sun, it can take abuse, it's evergreen, it's a great foundation plant, and I've really fallen in love with Distiliums here in recent years, and they've got quite the selection of different leaf colors, textures, and all that good stuff. But this one here again is a Cinnamon Girl. Probably, let's see, and I won't say probably, we'll go ahead and look. So about 3 high and 4 wide. Distilium, usually its growth habit is a little bit wider than tall. This one has a real nice purplish bronze kind of color, new growth color. Really, really good foundation shrub. Then let's see what else. I can't remember exactly which camellias came in on the truck today, but camellia season is fast approaching. And fall time for your sasanquas, and then your japonicas, your larger flowers, are usually in January to February. But again, we're fixing to hit our busy season. This is like our second spring, because fall time is the time to plant. I've been preaching it forever and ever. Most people think it's spring, but fall time is the best, because at least here in our zone, which we're 8A, the ground doesn't get that cold. I mean, we only have to bury water lines like an inch deep. So during the winter, these plants, the roots are still growing, getting themselves established. Then when springtime comes, you can hit them with fertilizer, really get them established, get some nice top growth, and then they'll be a little bit more prepared for our hot summers. Whereas if you plant in spring, you've just got that brief period of springtime to try to get them established before the warm weather gets here. Fall time just gives you 2 additional seasons to get prepared for our heat. Speaking of, I gotta get back out in the heat and get my butt back to work. Get some more of this stuff put out, get it tagged, and get it ready for sale. So if you're in the area, we'd love for you to come by and see the nursery and say hey. And if you aren't, then hit that subscribe down there, and you can follow along with all of our crazy nursery adventures here on YouTube, and we appreciate you watching. Also, the more you know, the more you grow. See you on the next video, y'all. Have a great day.